Here's a 2020 Hyundai Palisade Limited, 21,000 mile, one owner with a clean Carfax and pretty burgundy kind of red here. Really fortunate local trade, purchased brand new at a Hyundai dealership not too far away from here. And we know the customer and the vehicle pretty well here, so let's just kind of go around the car and show you what we got. This is the limited trim, so high level trim here. You can see it's got the high intensity smoked headlamps there. With LED surrounds. You also can see the double light pods there in the corner for your driving lights, and like I say, your high and low beams there with your LED surrounds. Let's continue around here to the side. It's got the big multi-spoke alloy wheel here. Tires, of course, are in decent shape, 21,000 mile in the factory tires, but we still got a fair amount of meat on those. You also can see a nice shiny rotor and thick brake pad. That's one thing we really pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive, do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. Find a result of that inspection signed out by the technician who performed it in the glove box of all of our cars. Peek through the passenger side front seat here. You can see it does have the Palisade chrome Dorso entry guards. Also has the ebony leather with the gray piping. Nice little designs there in the back of the headrest. I mean, as soon as you look inside, you can tell this is a high level trim. You can see that kind of textured material, and the synthetic wood grain here goes through the door panel as well. Two bucket seats. It looks like we got an automatic button shifter, push button shifter in between. And also we do have the books here as well. As you can see, everything that you would have gotten with it brand new. Let's look at the second row. This is a 7-passenger SUV. Nice thing about the second row, it does give you the captain's chairs. Allows for easy access into the rear area, as you can see there. Also in the back of this, you can see you do have heated rear seats, second row seats. Also third row climate, or third level climate, and you can control that back here digitally. We also got a 12-volt power supply and a 115 volt outlet. So everything you need to keep your digital devices charged up and connected. All the tires match in the same depth. Again, the wheels are in good shape. They're not scuffed or scraped. You can see here in the back, it does have the ultrasound park sense or park assist. Also has the backup camera. Got a power liftgate. One touch of the button is going to put that up. Now, third row seats are in the upright position. You still got some nice little cargo room here underneath the false floor. You see there's your first aid kit and everything that came with it, new jack tools. It even shows you the jack is stored in that little door there. Also, we got power fold and tumble second and third row seats and another 12-volt power supply here as well. So pretty cool power liftgate buttons right there. Everything is power on this car. Again, just showing you the wheels are all in good shape. Now we're going to take a peek through the driver's side, second row. Clean interior, no rips, tears, or stains. As you can see, looks good in there. Does have the push button, allows you to lock and unlock with simple push as long as the proxy key is present. Also full power seat on both sides, including lumbar. Does have memory setting, programmable to 2 drivers. We do have your power windows and your power mirrors and locks located right on the door here as well. Let's go ahead and hop in. Just gonna press the start button, put our foot on the brake. While that warms up, show you the Carfax. Always keep that on the dashboard. No accidents or damage. One owner, regular oil changes, personal vehicle, last owned. Right here in McCollumsburg, Pennsylvania. Let's go ahead and look at some of the buttons we got over here. We got a dimmer for your interior. The ability to turn on and off your blind spot. You can see the indicator there in the mirror. We do have your lane departure, so it's got all the safety gear. Ability to turn off your traction control. Another button for your power liftgate and electronic parking brake. Headlamp controls on the outside of the left stem, high beams and turn signals as well. On the steering wheel, we do have your Bluetooth audio controls on the steering wheel and your mode button to toggle between your modes. So stack of papers here will change your display in the center stack, as you can see. All your customizable dash. We do have radar cruise as well, so we can set the distance on that. If you don't understand what that is, essentially what it is it will automatically brake if you get too close, depending on how much distance you select there, to the vehicle that's in front of you. So another safety gear item that this vehicle has. Of course, then your cruise control settings. Big touch screen, does come equipped with the factory nav, as you can see. We also got AM, FM satellite radio. As you can see, we got a lot of different options here within the touch screen. We also have all these buttons down here, so we can toggle between the map, we can toggle between the radio, and you can see how the display is changing. We can toggle between your media, you know, your AM, FM, whatever you, and your favorites. So you also have all of these buttons down here if you prefer analog over touch. Dual climate control. We got, like I said, we got push button shifter here, park, reverse, neutral, and drive. Heated and cooled seats, driver and passenger. Also, auto hold was nice if you're in a like a drive-through or a wait, you know, some sort of drive-through wait. That's a cool little feature. Here is your different economy modes for shift points. We got your comfort, got your economy for fuel efficiency, got your snow, got your sport, which gives you a little more aggressive, a little more torque. Got the ability to lock into four-wheel drive if you want to, you know, take control. And then you got the intelligent option as well, where the car chooses based off of wheel slippage. Also have your downhill descent control, the ability to shut off the park sensors, ability to turn on your rear camera, and shut off your auto stop. You can see we got your USB down here, 2 cup holders right here. In the console, another 12-volt power, 2 more 12-volt power supplies. We do have the full pano, so we got, it's even got a suede headliner. I mean, this thing is awesome. This is above the driver's side, but then all the way back here, if you can see it, I know you're looking at the ceiling, but that is the second row pano or glass top. Got your universal home link here. Let's see what else we got. Got illuminated visors. You can see the LED light on the mirrored visors. We got that on both sides. But the suede headliner is really nice. Let's go ahead and take a look underneath the engine. See what kind of power plant we have. Upgraded sound as well. You can see there Harman Kardon on the grill cover. A premium sound. I mean, it's got it all. It's limited. It's loaded up. Underneath, you can see quiet and clean. No exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks, no corrosion on the battery terminals. Only 21,000 miles, and it looks like a new engine underneath as well. 3.8 liter, I believe, V6 is the power plant on this one. Yes. 3.8 liter V6 engine. Let's go ahead and turn it off. We'll get into the last portion of the video. Now, just to go over, it's got like new wearables, 1 owner, local trade, no accidents, clean Carfax. Last part of making informed buying decisions, cosmetic appearance. A little scuffle in the hood there. A little bit of bird waste damage on the clear in the hood there. That's the kind of stuff we're going to find as we walk this car. No dents or dings or blemishes of that sort. Roof line is good. You can see the full pano on the glass there. Couple little minor chips and nicks across the liftgate and the lower part of the bumper fascia here. Just from hauling some gear. It's just a little bit of dust there. A couple little stone chips on the dog leg found their way back. Minor little chips there. See, it's got the signal mirrored caps, which is nice. LED lights all through it. And then a couple little chips here across the lower portion of the bumper cover. Like I say, you can see it also has the 3060 park assist all the way around. And then we got a couple little scuffs, marks here on the front face of this hood. But all in all, guys, excellent like new alternative. Does still have the remainder of Hyundai's powertrain and comprehensive warranties transferable to the next owner, so you can buy with confidence. If you're interested, a few ways of getting a hold of us. Come visit us, 21518 Great Cove Road in McCollumsburg, Pennsylvania. Give us a call, area code 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales. And of course, you can shop 24/7 online at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.